considered as a significance to reaching on the top from a broader base, probably to the top of the success, or it leads to some kind of a success. That was pretty good. But this was something unique when I heard that a temple almost in an acre of land, which is almost 60 by 60 feet broad and length, and almost 60 feet high, which speaks, I think, in itself something very unique, very Vastu oriented, very vibrant temple. Luckily, I am associated with Brahma Kumaris also from last 19 years, and I'm patron to the organization. I'm luckily also patron to ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. I'm also associated with Shri Ravi Shankar ji and many other religious and spiritual organizations, because that's a different side of mine other than my deep interest in films, television, media, art and culture, and of course, education. This is something unique, very nice. I appreciate your efforts, Dr. K.K. Sharma ji, for coming up with this kind of a project. दो लाइनें मुझे फिर याद आ रही है कि स्वयं विधाता होवे मानव, अंतर में विश्वास जगाओ, चलो न मिटते पद चिन्हों पर, अपने रस्ते आप बनाओ, अपनी आत्म ज्योति पर निर्भर, अपने सूर्य स्वयं बन जाओ. The best part is that God has been so kind. He has been such a wonderful power that He has bestowed upon us all those powers which He possesses Himself. G-O-D. An unseen energy which can generate, which can operate, and which can destroy. And He has given all these powers back to us. It is entirely up to us that all these powers, we should use it for which purpose, better or bad. Entirely up to you. And I think if somebody can think like this, creating of such a wonderful place, a spiritual place for all of us, I think it is nothing but using your all those powers, spiritual powers, your powers for good purposes. रास्तों की दिलकशी अपनी जगह, चलने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. यूं तो महफिल में हम पढ़ते रहे, सुनने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. और लाख आंसू इश्क भी रोए तो क्या, आसमानों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. रास्तों की दिलकशी अपनी जगह. Everyone, any human being sitting here, including you and me, we always think that we want to do a good job. We really want to do something extraordinary. We want to go out of way and probably help people, support people. We try to say that how compassionate I am, sympathetic I am, supporting I am. But how many people actually go out of way to do all this, what you're thinking? That you have to look back into your own heart and mind, that are you? I think, if I'm not wrong, in India, this country is surviving only because we actually think like that. And not only think, but actually go out of way to provide support to the society in one way or other way. Whatever organization probably you are associated with, or you have your own organization where you are trying to look into an excuse to help the society. But all what you need is resources. रास्तों की दिलकशी अपनी जगह, चलने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. सोचते तो बहुत लोग हैं, लेकिन करने के लिए क्षमता चाहिए, मेहनत चाहिए, टाइम चाहिए, रिसोर्सेज चाहिए, और एक उद्यम चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना है. अदरवाइज ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आर नथिंग बट अ पार्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी. यूं तो और क्या, रास्तों की दिलकशी अपनी जगह, चलने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. यूं तो महफिल में हम पढ़ते रहे, सुनने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए. What are you doing? If you're forcing your ideas on public, probably public may not like it for a longer time. They may try to bear it, but may not bear it for a longer time. So what is needed is just to go back and learn from the public what exactly they're looking for. And I'm happy that Dr. K.K. Sharma has done enough research before getting into this kind of a project, that what kind of a service to the nation or towards spirituality people are looking for, and probably has come to a conclusion where people have said that why not to have one unique temple where we can go, pray, remember Almighty, and it has to be different from all that what we've been seeing from last 100 years. And I'm happy that that part has been very successfully done by Dr. K.K. Sharma and, of course, his complete team. रास्तों की दिलकशी अपनी जगह, चलने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए। यूं तो महफिल में हम पढ़ते रहे, सुनने वालों की भी मर्जी चाहिए। लाख आंसू इश्क भी रोए तो क्या, आसमानों की भी मर्जी चाहिए। You may be thinking a lot, you may be planning, designing, talking about it, but trust my word, only those things happens where Almighty gives permission to do the neat thing. पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता है ऊपर वाले की इजाजत के बगैर। तो जब आप एक इतना महान काम करने के लिए निकल पड़े हैं, तो इसका मतलब आपको ऊपर वाले की पहले ही आशीर्वाद मिल चुका है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी बात को यहाँ समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच, ऑल द बेस्ट, जय हिंद, जय भारत।